Hi everyone, today I'd like to recommend to you a language learning platform called Readlang. This is specifically for learning vocabulary through reading language texts produced by native speakers with the help of immediate translation. It works on all devices and is free. Here is how it basically works. When going through a text, click on a word you don't know, then the word is translated into the language you set as your L1. The words clicked are then added to a word list, and it has a flashcard feature that helps you review and test your knowledge. So there are three reasons that I recommend this learning platform to you. Number one, contextualization. What most learners usually do when it comes to vocabulary building is that they are given a stockpile list of words to memorize independently of the context where the words might be used. With Readlang, you don't learn vocabulary in such an old-fashioned decontextualized way, but instead in a contextualized manner. As said, you learn new words from the text you read on this learning platform. Therefore, you can refer to the context where the words are used. This allows you to learn not only the meanings of words but also their usage in particular contexts. Number two, authenticity. This learning platform enables learners to be exposed to authentic language in use. The contents available in the library of this platform are not like those texts you can find in conventional textbooks used by schools, which are so contrived. You can access real texts of different genres and topics in the library produced mainly by native speakers, such as movie trailer scripts, lyrics, news articles, columns, articles from websites of specific interest, and any other contents you may find online. Not only can learners pick up new vocabulary items from these texts, but they can also submerge themselves in the way English is actually used in different authentic communicative settings. Number three, self-directed learning. It allows learners to have a high degree of control of the learning. Instead of following a lockstep progress, you can learn the language at your own choice of topics, genres, levels of difficulty, and speed. First, as said, you can pick texts of any genres of interest that you think you might be interested to read. They are all available in the public text section of the library. The levels of difficulty of public text range from beginner, upper beginner, intermediate to upper intermediate, advanced, and mastered, from which you are free to start with any difficulty you think suits your current language ability, and you can simply jump to other difficulties whenever you see fit. You can also upload your own text to the library. Besides, you can install a Readlang extension on your browser, which enables you, when you're reading any contents on the web, to use the same function as in the platform. The platform has an activity monitor function to help learners track their own progress of learning by keeping a record of the amount of word translation you have done, and words recorded that day. And a graph is provided to track your performance as to the preset daily goal, which is 10 words translation. There is, however, a limitation. Although flashcards are provided to help learners review the words that they have come across in text and translated, this learning platform doesn't have any meaningful activities designed to give learners opportunity to produce language using these words. What you can do with the flashcards is just some meaningless, repetitive drilling. Regardless, if you really want to learn vocabulary in a contextualized way through reading authentic language produced by native speakers, why not giving it a go?